Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Thank you so much guys for coming today to get ready with me for my Valentine's Day night edition. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget your friends to come and check it out. So guys, into this video I'll be doing my messy hair, trying to make it look this nice and this makeup look, and show you guys the outfit. So please guys tune in and don't forget to watch the rest of the video. Welcome back to my video guys. So I'm spoiling guys with some get ready with me, a quick get ready with me, because I'm going on a date night. So guys, I had to choose an outfit first, and now I'm gonna prepare to do my hair and my makeup with you guys. So I only have 2 hours to get ready, or I have 2.5 hours to get ready with you guys. So guys, I must be quick. So yes guys, thank you so much for coming back to this video. Don't forget to subscribe first thing, and second, don't forget to comment down below. Let's start with doing our makeup. So we're gonna start by brushing our brows upwards, and then guys, I'm gonna take our spoolie, and then we're gonna take our eyebrow pencil, the normal one that you're using, the 5 rand one, the 10 rand, whether it's expensive, whether it's cheap, it does the same job guys. And then I'm gonna draw my eyebrows just like that, and then I'm gonna take my LA Girl concealer from Pep Store. This concealer guys does the work and it's so cheap. I can't remember the price, but I think it's 30 something rands to 40 something rands, and guys, it's good. It depends on you whether it will be good for you to use a stick concealer or you would prefer a more runny foundation concealer, but I prefer both sides. Whether it's stick, whether it's the runny one, it's okay. But guys, you can go and check on the Pep products and see more. You can get yourself some quite affordable products that can help you to do your makeup quite nicely. Guys, I'm using this concealer from LA Lab from Pep. It's Pep makeup products, and so far I'm enjoying it. As you can see, it's a hard concealer. It's so the consistency is not, it's so hard, but I'll make a video guys and show you how does this product work. It's so light, but I can work around it because your under eyes should be light guys, so that your eyeshadow palette can pop. That is why your under eyes must be so bright. From on top of my eyebrows guys, I'm going to use my Smudge foundation cream. To clean on top of my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Smudge foundation guys from Clicks, and I don't know what shade is it. I'll check it, and guys, I'll write it in the description down below. So to clean, I'm using all the foundations. As you can see guys, I'm not using the concealers. So guys, because of my skin, I have dry skin. When I'm working with my skin, I always wanna moisturize my skin. It's like my primer, my makeup primer is oil, and I also have a makeup primer guys. I also apply it. Let me show you. This is my OG primer from Essence Fresh and Fit. I also applied guys. It has so much shimmer, but I also prefer Magnolia to hydrate my skin because I'm so dry. I am a dry skin sister. So yes guys, so for my face, I'm still using the same foundation from Smudge.
It's a dark shade, guys, as you can see. But what I love about working with a darker shade is that I know that I'm gonna highlight my face more now that I have a darker shade. It's okay, it will still balance. So if you have a darker foundation, guys, don't be afraid that, oh no, it's so dark, it won't match me. Make sure that you're gonna have a lighter, what is it called, make sure that you're gonna have a lighter concealer for concealing your face. If you're not a type of person who doesn't like to conceal, because guys, I know a lot of girls, like a lot of people, we are not the same. They don't understand to highlight. So most people be like, no, it's okay if I apply only foundation. Isha, I don't want this highlighting thing on my face. It makes me look like makeup or light too much. It's not that like your makeup is too light, it's like highlighting your face, because sometimes foundation will make you look like that's something that has to pop up, because I don't like my face all being like dark. As for me, guys, I prefer to there and there to have highlights. So if you're not a type of person who likes to highlight your face, you can just mix your foundation with a lighter one just there so that it can balance, but you don't, make sure that you don't put in too much lighter one, because sometimes they don't match your skin shade. Yeah. So yes, guys, I love this Smudge foundation, like really. So guys, with concealer, I'm still going to use the same concealer that I was using for my.
So guys, to conceal, I'm going to do the parts where I want my makeup to just pop up, the sections where you can see where I do it with the LA Girl Pro Concealer from Pep. And then I'm going to take my small blending brush and blend the makeup. The secret to makeup, guys, is just blending. Just make sure that you blend to the best as you can, and don't apply a concealer that's too much shade lighter than your color. And then I'm going to use my favorite powder from Yardley. I've been using this powder for too long, guys, and it's good. It's around one something. It clicks, make sure you get it. It's so nice, guys, and bakes your face pretty well. Make sure you apply your powder to the points where you highlighted your face, and to the darker sides you're gonna contour. So to contour, I'm gonna use my Essence compact powder. As you can see, guys, it's broken. It wasn't like that, it was straight. And then I'm gonna contour with it on my forehead, on the sides, on my cheeks, so that my makeup can be in place and my highlight can be sorted. And then the palette, I'm going to use the beauty palettes from Clicks. I've been having 5 years with this palette, guys, from the day I started the channel. So yes, guys.
I use the Wet and Wild illuminate, what is it called, highlighting powder, illuminatrons. This is one. It's so good, guys. This highlighter, it highlights, and it highlights so professional, as you can see. I love it, guys. I so love it. You can check the Wet and Wild highlighter, guys. It's so good. And I have many years owning this highlighter. I'm sure it's 3 now to 4 years owning this highlighter. So guys, with hair, I have an afro, like at the back, and in front it's my real hair. It's like this. So I'm gonna fix this hair using, so guys, I'm going to use my edge control ISO plus, and I'm gonna use my kushuguti. They are all ISO plus, 2 ISO plus, and styling dreadlocks for some tight edges. I like this one because it holds edges for too long.
So guys, I'm gonna spray my hair with water. It's water inside the bottle so that I can moisturize the hair because I have 4C hair. And then I'm gonna brush it so I can straighten it because I need to apply the gel there. And I'm gonna take that afro and spray the water so I can soften it to get it ready to get those curls bounce back. Yes guys, I need water. We need water for our hair. We really need it. And then as I continue to maintain that afro, because guys, afro is it's really complicated. Really, it needs maintenance, even though at the back it's just hairpiece. And then the curl activator, guys, is to activate the curls at the back. After applying the water, we take the curl activator. These curl activators, they work, guys. So they make the afro to cool down, you know, the curls to come back, the hair to look wetty and shiny. So I love it for that. And then I'm gonna, you know, after, you know, you don't apply a comb but only your hands. I'm going to work it out only on the front just to make it look good. And then we're gonna take our most wax from dreadlocks. We're gonna apply it on our hair so that we make the hair slick. And then we're gonna take back our brush and brush, guys. We're gonna brush till the hair is slick. You can feel it when it's slick. It's so flat. And then that's it.
You. So guys, I'm gonna make it look cute with this. I just did it now, so I'm gonna put it this side and that side. So I must adjust it like this. I'm using my bobby pins to adjust it at the back so that it can be tight, guys, so that it doesn't fall. So guys, I want my hair to cool down, like to be like poof. That is why I did this. You guys, for my jewelry, let me come close. So guys, for my jewelry, here's my jewelry box. So I was thinking of, I don't know which one to wear. Obviously I'm gonna take my watch, earrings. I think they will match great with the dress that I'm gonna wear, I think. And then guys, for the necklace, I think I must take this OG of mine. As you normally know, this one. Yeah.
And then we're gonna apply our lipstick and our lip liner, guys. The lip liner is also from Pep, but the lipstick I forgot where it's from. Then we ready. The fragrance is from Flawless Classic, and guys, it smells so sweet. And then my dress, it's from a designer dress, guys, but I'll leave the information down below so you can see.
Guys, shoes is this one.